Hi learners, here is the homework for the week of November 6th. Remember to write your name and your number. Remember learners, every single day after you read your book, your grown-up signs here. 只是监护人应该签名字，不是小朋友。Okay, learners, so let's go over this week's spelling words, 我们的常见字 and our skill of the week. So learners, this week's spelling words, let's start with the first one. The first one is the word in. For example, put your crayons back in the box. In. I-N-N, in. Let's add that to our home word wall. I-N-N. Okay, learners, our second word or spelling word for this week is the word has. For example, she has a blue pen. Has. H-A-S, has. Let's write it down on our word wall. The first letter in has is H, so it goes over here. H-A-S. Our third word is the word if. 如果, if. For example, if it is raining, make sure you bring an umbrella. If. If. The first 字母in if is I, so I'm going to put if under I. If. The fourth word for our spelling words, our word wall, is the word how, 怎么. For example, how are you feeling? How. H-O-W, how. The first letter in how is H, so we will put it over here under H. H-O-W. How. The fifth word or spelling word is the word so. For example, I am so happy you are here today. So. S-O, so. The first letter in so is S, so we will put it over here under S. So. Okay, learners, 注意 in the word has, 我们只听到 z， 可是这里是 s 的字母，不是 z 的字母。注意平时 o 会有 r 像 o octopus r 的发音，可是 in the word so o 有 o 的发音。Okay, so learners, let's continue. Remember to keep this at home. 然后每一天记得练习我们的常见字。Okay, learners. So every day you are reading your book and your grown-up signs their name for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. This week's skill of the week. So 每一天你需要练习 our skill of the week is to tie your shoes. A lot of learners already know how to tie their shoes. Yay! If you do not know how to tie your shoes, make sure you are practicing how to tie your shoes. Okay, learners, let's go over the homework packet for this week. So Monday, you should be doing your handwriting practice. 注意高的字母还有短的字母。Every 大写的字母 is always a tall letter. From the skyline, plain grass line, and then back to the skyline. Notice the short letters 短的字母 for V, W, Y, X, Z 小的字母都是矮的。 Just notice that the Y goes down to the grass line. So learners, make sure you're writing the letters and then you fill the lines. On the bottom, when you 写你自己的字母，需要练习我们这个星期的字母。Okay, learners, for Tuesday, you should be practicing your spelling words. And here I showed rainbow writing. 注意哪一些字母就是短的字母，哪一些字母是高的字母。And make sure in between you are leaving a finger space. Okay, learners, here is this week's poem of the week. A lot of you already know this poem, and it is also a song. When Miss Liang is reading, listen for the rhyming words. 记得 rhyming words 就是只是开头的发音第一个发音不同，中间还有结尾的发音是一样的。Okay, learners, listen for the rhyming words. 你听到 rhyming words 的时候 you're going to circle the rhyming words. 然后 on the bottom, you're going to draw a picture about the poem. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So learners, if you're having trouble listening for the rhyming words, 记得 a lot of songs, a lot of poems, the last word on the line are sometimes rhyming words. 就是中间还有结尾的发音是一样的，然后只是第一个字母，第一个发音不同。For example, when you look at these two lines, learners, Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Which word rhymes with the word are? 有 are 的发音，可是开头的发音不同，想一下。And then you're going to circle the rhyming words. Draw a picture of the poem over here about Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Okay, learners, this week for math, you're going to cut the cards. And it says here, turn over a card. Oh, play with someone at home. Turn over a card. See who has the larger number. How do you know which one is greater? So let me give you an example. If Miss Liang is playing with Marcellus, 我们会想哪一个数字是多一点，然后我们怎么知道？ Here are the cards, and Miss Liang is going to shuffle. Okay, now let's get a card. Miss Liang and Marcellus. Who has more? And how do you know? I have more 因为6 is more than 5. 如果我有5个5加1等于6，所以我知道6比5是更多的。我们继续。I have 3. Let's see how many Marcellus has. 4. Who has more? 3 or 4? Oh, I know 4 is more than 3. 因为 if I have 3, 我需要加一个才能有4个。So I know Marcellus has more. One for Miss Liang, one for Marcellus. Who has more? I have 4 and 4这是8 Marcellus 3和4这是7 which one's more? Oh, I know 8 is more than 7. 9 and 10. Who has more? I know that 10 is more than 9 because when I count, it's 9 and one more is 10. So Marcellus has more. And learners, every day, 记得练习, you can keep shuffling and you can keep playing. Miss Liang, Marcellus. I have 3, he has 7, who has more? Oh, Marcellus has more. 因为如果我只有3个，我还需要4个才能有7个，所以我知道7比3是更多的。Okay, learners, let me know if you have any questions about this week's homework packet. And remember to practice your skill of the week and your spelling words.